If someone in the family often coughs, you must try this folk method passed down by the older generation. It is recommended to collect and forward it to your beloved family. Heat pot and pour in pure sesame oil, pour in minced ginger and fry until golden brown to allow the ginger juice to fully blend into the sesame oil. Then add 2 free-range native eggs and a little brown sugar. Don't like it? If someone in the family coughs frequently, you must try this native method passed down by the elders. It is recommended to collect and forward it to your beloved family. Heat a pot, pour in pure sesame oil, add minced ginger and fry until golden brown to make the ginger juice fully integrate into the sesame oil.